Hello, welcome to ECTA Market. I want to buy mangoes today.
These mangoes smell so good.
Hello, Milo. Welcome to my fruit stall.
Hello, Leo. How much are these mangoes?
Hello, Milo. They are 13 rupees per kilo. Milo came to market to learn English. Hello.
How do you say fruit?
Fruit is pal. These fresh mangoes are 200 rupees per kilo, Milo.
Wow, so many mangoes.
Yes, fresh today. 200 rupees per kilo? I don't understand. 1 kilo means 1000 grams. See the price board. 200 rupees! Oh no! This is very expensive. I only have 100 rupees. What can I do now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leo, mangoes are too expensive for me. Don't worry, Milo. I can give you discount today. Special price for you, 150 rupees per kilo.
Wow, thank you, Leo. Now I can buy.
Good. Always ask for price first, Milo.
Okay, Leo.
Good. Hello, everyone. I heard you need English help. Let's learn together.
Class is starting. Today we learn 3 market words. Word number 1, how much, meaning kiyadu.
Word number 2, expensive, meaning gananvedi.
Expensive. Word number 3, discount, meaning vattamak. Animation tag bounce. Now Milo, you repeat. How much are these mangoes? How much are these mangoes?
Tina correct. Good. Now say, this is expensive.
This is expensive.
Good job, Milo. Thank you for the discount.
Perfect. Last one. Thank you for discount.
Thank you for discount. Thank you for discount.
I bought mangoes. Thank you, Leo.
Correct, Milo. These are mangoes in English.
Mangoes. I learned it. Remember, Milo, ask price first in market. Okay, Tina. How much for these? Hi. I learned 3 English words today. This is market. This is expensive. And this is discount. You can learn too. Point your camera. I learned 3 English words today. You can learn too.
Welcome back. Ready for episode 2? Yes. What's at school today? Let's find out.